everyone, I'm Keyondra.
And I'm Kim.
And we are Jolie Noire.
So as you guys know, summer bodies are built in the winter. That's what they say. So Keyondra and I thought that it was a good idea that we would bring to you guys our favorite pieces of our new wardrobe. You know, we've also been in the gym working out and getting our fitness on. So we thought that we would share with you guys. So if you see something that you like, don't forget to click either Keyondra or my link in the description box and you will be able to shop directly the pieces that we have. Let's try some things on. So first, I shopped at Victoria's Secret a couple of weeks ago. They had a really great sale going and I was excited to be able to be a part of it. I got some stuff in the mail about the sale, and so we shopped that Victoria's Secret sale. And so I got two parachute jackets. I got the short cropped one. I love that one. I got it in like that brown color with the green, lime green lining. It's the one that I have on. So here I have it paired with the leggings that kind of coordinate with it in like that mustard green olive color with the lime green touch on the waist. For these leggings, I really like how stretchy they are. They are a 29-inch inseam. I'm normally a 32-inch inseam, a regular. And then for like if I'm wearing heels, I'll do a 34-inch inseam. So they are significantly shorter. They are a crop style for sure. They're not like your normal 7/8 style, but they're still so cute. They don't hit in an awkward way. And then I have my sports bra on with it. It zips up in the front and it also clasps inside. I love that because it's for that extra security. And it has a cute little elastic back that's lime green that no one will ever see from me, but it's really cute. I love the details. My favorite part is that it zips in the front, and so it's super easy for getting in and out of, because once you're done working out, you want to be over with all the sweat and stuff. So I love that. And then next I got the long parachute jacket. I love this one because it's like a convertible jacket. You can zip off the sleeves and it will give you like a vest style. I'm not gonna really wear it like that, but I'd like the option to be able to do that. This has like different zipper compartments as well and a drawstring waist, so it's going to keep your shape. You're gonna look good in it. It feels good. It's very lightweight, so if you're a person that gets warm, this is really good for you because you can layer as many pieces as you want and then take this off. So that's really good for all jackets. Like I love a good jacket because it can serve multiple purposes and still look cute and elevate your look.
Okay guys, so next up is me in my Victoria's Secret jacket. The jacket is actually like this one here that Kim has on, but it's all black. I'm 5'4", and with that, I want to make sure that my leggings come up like at the top of my torso because it elongates my body, my short body. And of course with the cropped jacket, it helps to, you know, make me look even more like, you know, elongated and put together. Like I feel like a longer jacket, or rather a jacket that hits at my hip, kind of makes me look a little sloppy. And so I want it for this go round for any workout clothes that I have to be cute and to fit me really well.
Yeah, so a good rule of thumb for if you have hips, if you're pear shape or an hourglass shape, is to do something that's cropped. If you're not gonna do something that's cropped, then you wanna do something that's longer than your hips, because you don't want it to hit at the widest part of your body, which is your hips, because you don't wanna look wider, which is why she feels like she looks, you know, sloppy, not well put together. And then if you're going to do leggings, like we have shorter torsos, so it doesn't really matter how tall or how short you are. And what matters is that if you have a longer short torso, people always ask us, where do you get your high waist pants and high waist jeans? Well, we have short torsos. So that's a good, like the longest part of us, it's our legs.
This is the perfect clothing segue into my Target set. So I had the Victoria's Secret jacket on with the Target set. This is probably one of my favorites out of all of the sets because of the color. I love this brown. Is it like it's like a brown?
Yeah, it's brown, but it looks pink.
It does. It looks like a pink. But I love the brown. I love how it looks against my skin. I love how Target really paid attention to the fabrics. Like everything is so soft. It feels really good. Like this is one of the jackets, but it feels really good. And I mean, They're easy to put on, and the fact that they go up to a size 2X, I think, right? No, they go to 4X.
Oh yeah. I think
Yeah,
it's
4X. Yeah. So everything is super cute and very flattering on my body as well.
Yeah, we both got these sets in black, and we got them all in all the colors. Because once we got one, we were like,
I gotta get
you
more.
have to get more. So we both have the full set in the brown, the light blue, and then in the black, as you guys are going to see it now. That, you know, so like Keyondra said, it's so buttery soft, it's so comfortable, so flexible. I wore it one day and got so many compliments.
Dude.
Oh my goodness. People were like, I love your outfit, I love your set, you know, things like that. When I put it on my Instagram,
I told her she was gonna sell
yeah,
it.
she did. When I put it on my Instagram, it went crazy. Like, people went crazy. If you missed the Target circle, it was like 30% off, and that's when we racked up even more. And so yeah, it's a good buy.
Yeah, so up next is my trench jacket. You guys probably saw the all black trench jacket transitioning summer pieces into fall video that I did. So I have one in black, but this one, I saw it online as this was the first one that popped up. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, that looks okay. When I saw it in black, I was like, oh, that's bomb. Then I was like, no, this looks good. We saw it in the store and we were like, no, this is super cute. It looks good. And I love the details on the back. I love the drawstring because I love how it kind of like, cinches the waist, and it kind of gives like this A-line effect too. Oh my gosh, it's so cute when it sways when you walk.
So where they don't have the belt, they did a drawstring.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
I'm just not even getting that.
Yeah.
So all the remaining items that I have are from Target. I had to have this green set. Keyondra has the white top with the black piping, and my top doesn't have any piping, but the pants, the leggings do, and I loved it. When we saw them in Target, our local Target didn't have them, and so we went online and I saw them and I was like, oh, I have to have those. And these are really great because they're long. I like the longer length leggings because I am a little bit taller, my legs are a little bit longer, and so I do like them to hit at the ankle. I even like the little bunching a little bit because I like to feel a little short. But yeah, so I paired them together. I bought them intentionally to pair together, the green top and the green leggings. And I love how soft these are. They're so stretchy. They're like, it's just so flexible. It moves with you. It goes like, and you can run errands for days in this, and I love it. And I just paired it with my dad coat as a finishing touch, and this is something that I will easily wear to the airport or to run errands. The dad coat I would probably leave behind for the fall, but as we go into the winter, I will definitely do something like that. And last, I got a brown set. I got these two tees. I have this one on here. It's so soft. It's by All in Motion. It's so soft. It's a crop style and it's short sleeve. They also have it in long sleeve, and I have it in long sleeve as well, but these are so soft and they're hard to get wrinkled. So like, they don't wrinkle easily. And so I didn't even iron this one or steam it or anything, and the wrinkles just knocked out really quickly just by hanging, and I love that. And so the upkeep of them and the cleaning and all of that is so easy. So I love that. That's one thing I love, but they're so soft to get your body, work out in them, and they're comfortable. And that's my number one thing with clothing is it has to be comfortable, it has to fit well, it has to look good, it has to be comfortable. And so then I got the matching, I got 2 pair of leggings from them. So I have leggings in black, brown, like a darker brown, and these like kind of lighter brown leggings, because like I just went legging happy and I bought those. They
had a whole table full.
They had them, like they did. And so I'm like, I need more. And so I got these leggings, and I'm so pleased with how stretchy and how soft they are. And all of my leggings I got in an extra large. My jackets are in an extra large, and that's throughout all of the brands that we've talked about today. And I think you're doing
large pant and extra large jacket, only because I want for my jackets to fit a little looser. I like that, like more oversized at the top. It kind of does, again, you know, like work for my shape.
Yeah.
You know?
Like I told you guys, I went legging happy, and I did not stop at Target. I also went to Marshall's and I grabbed basic black leggings and Adidas. I got these really cute mesh leggings from Adidas. I don't show you guys here in the video, but if you want to see more, come on over to my Instagram and you'll see them over there.
If you guys love content like this from us, let us know in the comments. We love you guys so much. We appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new here. And don't forget to shop with Jolie Noire. Follow us at Keyondra Locket and at Keys to Lux Life as well. And don't forget to follow our apparel line. That's at Jolie X Noire Apparel.